Want to know how to set up Zelle with your Bank of America account? Here's a full step-by-step walkthrough so you can send and receive money instantly without confusion. First things first, log into your Bank of America mobile app or go to the online banking website. Make sure your mobile app is fully updated so everything works smoothly. Once you're inside, head over to the menu and look for the transfer option. Under that, you'll see Zelle. Tap on Send Money with Zelle. Now it's time to enroll your profile. Bank of America will ask you to connect either your email address or your US mobile number. This is how people will send you money. Next, you'll get a verification code sent to your phone or email. Enter that code, confirm, and then choose which account you want to connect, either checking or savings. This will be the account where you send and receive money instantly. Once that's done, you're officially set up. You can now send, request, or receive money directly inside your Bank of America app. To send money, just type in the recipient's US phone number or email that's linked to their Zelle account. If you're unsure, double check with them so it goes through correctly. And that's it. Super simple. Now you know how to set up Zelle with Bank of America step by step. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for